again.
You want to see it again?
Yeah.
Let's go make your lunch.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm on your phone. Is it right here?
What are you doing? You're going to sit right there?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to go night-nights right there while Daddy makes lunch?
Yeah.
Okay. Night-night. We're going to eat some lunch and then we're going to go upstairs and go night-nights. Take a nap.
Okay.
Okay. You remember that in half an hour when you're freaking out. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Love you.